So guys, I'm gonna show you how to get your hair from this color to this color. So if you want to see how I did that, then stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Alrighty guys, jumping straight into it. We are on a chicken wedge. Anywho, so this is one of my old wigs. Well, it's not that old, but I consider it to be old. I have it for what, almost 2 years, I think. Anywho, alright, the things you'll be needing is an empty container, your scissors, your applicator brush, and this is what you're going to use to apply whatever you're going to apply to the hair, your volume 40. Then we're gonna grab our basic white, and guys, these are sold in the store just like this. All right, I think you can get one for $100 or $50, we're depending on where you go to get it. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my empty container and my applicator brush, and I'm going to cut open the bag with the volume, the basic white. Now guys, just so you know, I only thought I needed 2 packs, but at the end of the video I needed a bit more to ensure that it was processed properly. But anywho, nevertheless, it turned out beautiful. Alright, so what I'm going to do is cut these open and start mixing the stuff up to start bleaching the hair. Now I'm gonna add my volume 40. So guys, when you're adding your volume 40, you want to add enough so the paste becomes in between thick and in between watery. In some part of the videos, you will see me add more liquid to the basic white. That was because I was so lazy. I didn't want to go back on the road to buy any more basic white, so I added more volume 40. Alright, and I did also research where they said you could have used baking soda with the volume 40 and it would give you a better bleaching. I'm not sure. I saw it somewhere on YouTube and I saw a couple of my friends did it. But anyhow, so we're mixing the paste right about now, and from time to time I'll add a little bit more volume 40. Alright, so now that we've finished mixing out our paste, now we're gonna start with the lace of the wig. Now, just so you know, you want to brush lightly, not too hard so it goes through. Anyway, you'll be bleaching the entire thing, so you don't have to worry about it going on the knots of the hair. So you can go ahead and apply this. Now guys, in case you're wondering why I have a plastic bag on my hand, I didn't have any gloves, so I resort to a plastic bag, and this is what is called improvisation. I'm sorry guys. So I know some person will come at you in the comments and say blah blah blah, but anyway, I had no gloves, so I'm using a clear plastic bag. So we're gonna start with the back of the wig, and as you can see, I'm trying to find the back and taking my time to sort through the hair. So I'm just gonna start layering it on to the hair, and I'm gonna leave you guys to watch me do this process. Then we'll come back when it's time to dye the hair. Alright, yes guys, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. If you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And of course, at the end of the video, drop a like on this video. It helps YouTube to send it out to other persons across the world so they can see my videos and of course watch them. Don't leave the video until you watch it for 3 minutes, please. And of course, drop a comment in the comment section and tell me what other videos you'd like to see me do next. yeah. So people, it's very important to brush your wig out. It helps the bleach to spread. So we're gonna grab our file paper and we're gonna wrap our hair into the file paper. Reason being, it helps the hair to sweat. It helps it to bleach faster and to add a little heat to the hair. So this is how the hair turned out. And we're gonna use our Adore in the color 78, and I wanted to give the hair a little burgundy-ish look, so I'm mixing the color together with a little conditioner, and then I'm gonna separate the hair into different sections with my clippers, starting with the back. I'm gonna allow you to watch me do this part and then I'll come back. So please, before I go, as you can see, I upgraded my thing. I got gloves to do the dyeing. Hence, I didn't want my fingers to be red or burgundy or whatever. Because you know, when the colors go underneath your fingernail, it takes a long time to come out. So, that's that. Anyways, enjoy! So now, as you can see, I'm combing through the hair with a Demon brush. Now, what this does, it helps the dye to spread on the strands that I did not get while doing the process of applying it with the application brush. So when you comb it through, it helps the dye to spread in the hair. As you can see, just like when you're relaxing your hair, any strand you didn't get, once you comb it through, then the hair becomes relaxed. Alright. Alrighty guys, so this is the finished process. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave it to sit for 20 to 25 minutes, then I'm gonna rinse it out. And after all of that, this is how it turned out, and I am loving it, so loving it. Alrighty guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so YouTube can recommend it to other persons. Subscribe, like the video, and share the video.